Eric and Matt with May Wes Manufacturing down here southern Minnesota with James Pieper, all about farming, along with Micah. Today we did some ear savers. Check out what the competition is, how thin that is. If you're sick and tired of your ear savers tearing like that, get May Wes Ear Savers. They're thicker, they're more durable, and they'll prevent those cobs from rolling back down that gathering chain.
So that's the big thing with them, is these are so flimsy that
they just tear.
They tear and they start to retain their shape to where they just fold over and stay like that. This stuff won't do that. All right, check out how easy it is to install these. So in this case, we're reusing the OEM hardware on these. All right, if you want to order some ear savers, you can hit us up on maywes.com.